Okay, we're going to look at some volume of a pyramid questions, but this time we're going to work backwards to find either the area of the base or the height of the pyramid where we've been given the volume of the pyramid. So let's start with an example 1, and we've got a pyramid like shown. Okay, so the height of the pyramid is 27 centimetres, the volume of the pyramid is 1,800 cubic centimetres, and the question is asking me to find the area of the base. So that's what we're looking to find. Okay, so remember that the volume of a pyramid is given by the formula 1/3 A times H, where A is the area of the base. That's this bit here, the bit that the pyramid sits on, and H is obviously the height of the pyramid. Now we know that that volume then is equal to 1,800. Okay, so next thing that we know is that the height of the pyramid is 27, so 1/3 times A times 27 is equal to 1,800. Okay, so what we can now do is take 1/3 of 27, and that would be 9, so that's now 9A is equal to 1,800. I'll then bring the 9 down, divide 1,800 divided by 9, and take your time with that without the calculator. Absolutely, that is 200 square centimetres. Okay, so next one. And we've got another pyramid. This time we're told that the volume of the pyramid is equal to 80 cubic centimetres. We're also told that the height of the pyramid this time is 12 centimetres, and I need to find the area of the base. Okay, so volume of the pyramid is 1/3 AH. I know that that's equal to 80. I also know that the height is 12, so 1/3 times A times 12 equals 80. A third of 12 is 4, so now 4A equals 80. And A equals 80 over 4. 80 divided by 4 is 20 square centimetres. Okay, so let's try an example 3. Okay, so another pyramid. Okay, slightly different information this time. I'm given the volume of the pyramid, which is 600 cubic centimetres. Now, instead of being given the height this time, I'm looking to calculate the height, but I'm given the area of the base, which I'm told is 60 square centimetres. Okay, so the volume of the pyramid is 1/3 AH, and that's equal to 600. Okay, so A is 60, so 1/3 times 60 times the height is equal to 600. Okay, 1/3 of 60 is 20, so now 20H equals 600. Bring that 20 down, divide 600 divided by 20, and non-calculator definitely, that's the height of 30 centimetres. Okay, let's try one more. Okay, so this time the volume of the pyramid is 5,000 cubic centimetres. I'm looking to calculate the height, and I'm told that the area of the base is 75 square centimetres. Okay, so volume equals 1/3 AH, and the volume is equal to 5,000 rather. Okay, so that's 1/3 of 75 times H equals 5,000. 1/3 of 75 is 25, so it's 25H equals 5,000. Bring the 25 down, divide. Okay, so how do we do this quickly without a calculator? Well, how many 25s fit into 250? That would be 10. So how many fit into 500? That would be 20. So 25,000 then would be 200 centimetres.